Open Manage Sales Orders. Choose Create. Select Create Sales Order, VA01 from the Action drop-down list. On the Create Sales Document screen, make the following entries. Order type, or Sales Organization, 1810. Distribution Channel, 10. Division, 00. Choose Continue. On the Create Standard Order Overview screen, make the following entries. Sold to party, 18100001. Shipped to party, 18100001. Customer reference, PO number. Order reason, excellent price. Requested delivery date. Material number, FG228. Order quantity, for example, 10 PC. On the information message, choose Continue. On the Review Availability Check Results screen, check the confirmed delivery date and choose Apply. Choose Save. Open Monitor Material Coverage, Net/Individual Segments. Choose the user icon and select App Settings. In the MRP Settings dialog box, check if the toggle button of Manage Material Coverage is on. Turn it on if the toggle button is off. In the search area, make the following entries and choose Go. Material SG224. Select the filtered rows and choose Manage Materials. Check and note down the PIR, INDREQ VSFB of the material SG224. Choose Home. Open Schedule MRP Runs. Choose Create. On the New Job screen, make the following entries. 4.1. Template Selection Section. Job Name. MRP for FG228. Choose Step 2. 4.2. Scheduling Options section. Start immediately. Select. Choose Define Recurrence Pattern. On the Scheduling Information screen, make the following entries. Start immediately. Select Recurrence Pattern. Single Run. Choose OK. Choose Step 3. Choose 3 parameters and make the following entries. Plant 1810. Material FG228. Change BOM components. Select Planning Mode 1. Choose Check at the bottom right. Choose Schedule. Open Monitor Material Coverage. Net/individual segments. Choose the user icon and select App Settings. In the MRP Settings dialog box, check if the toggle button of Manage Material Coverage F0251A is on. Turn it on if the toggle button is off. In the search area, make the following entries and choose Go. Material SG224. Material FG228. Select the filtered rows and choose Manage Materials. Check and compare the PIR independent requirement via SFG of material SG224 with the individual segment of the customer order FG228. Results for FG228. An individual planned order was created for the sales order. Results for SG224. A dependent requirement from the sales order shows up in the net segment and has consumed the PIR created before. Select the DEPAR EQ to show details for the sales order and planned order. Choose Home. Choose the search icon in the upper right part of the screen. Make the following entries and choose Search. Search BOM Header Material. Refer to section Master Data, Organizational Data, and Other Data. In the All field, select an object from the drop-down list and choose the search icon. Under the search line, choose an icon, for example, filter, display as table, sort, and so on, to filter the results list. The results list is filtered according to your selections. Repeat steps for any other object offered in the search function.